Weekend Water here with a premium unbrick proof video for William H. of Georgia. William, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Trinity motherboard that was previously RGH'd by somebody else. Bottom line, basically what I did was installed the NAND wires, which you can see the lead for here, used a NANDX, and then wrote an ECC file, booted it, got the CPU key, validated that the NAND backup that you sent was good and decrypted with that CPU key, and it did. So went ahead and created a new current-upd flash.bin, of which you get a backup copy on the disk here, and wrote it to the NAND. So if in the future you were to ever brick your console again, the premium unbrick includes the NANDX here, which is still in the packaging, no problem. And with that NANDX, all you would have to do is plug it in via USB, connect it up to this little cable, which is accessible by just removing the side grill, so it'll be all nice and on there when you get it. And just rewrite your last known good UPD flash.bin, which you could always just fall back to the one right here on this disk. So just case in point, show you that it does still boot, obviously. The console, I'm not sure what timing files programmed to the chip or whatever, but it seemed to perform really well with a CR4 speed up NAND image. So we'll have that boot just momentarily, and yeah, everything's all good and working out. Well, it's taking its sweet time here. Again, just to reiterate that it was not I who performed the RGH. All I did was simply rebuild a current NAND image and write it to the console. I was just checking there to make sure that it had a video connection made to it. So the HDMI is in fact plugged in. There it goes. So that boot was kind of long. I know I talked for a minute before it came up, but you can see that it's booting here. And I'm going to go ahead and do another boot because of the several other times that I've booted this console, they've all done faster than what you just saw here. So I'm going to do a second one to see if that proves itself to be an odd case. Alright, so here we go. Boot number 2 at 240, basically 240, 242, something like that in the video. Okay, and then there's a successful boot at 252, 253, so like a 10-second boot time. So yeah, that first boot being long was just a weird that I had booted this. So anyway, your premium unbrick is all done. We'll get the console with the NANDX all packaged up and headed back out your way tomorrow, and you'll have them in just a couple days. Thanks very much for your business.